Hi everyone! Today I tell you what I'm doing on the weekends. Here we go. On Saturday morning, I'm going to eat breakfast mm, with my family. Then we're going to watch a movie because it's winter. We're not going to go swim in the pool. At night, we're going to have a picnic with my mom's friends to see the stars. Oh. And on Sunday, we're going to clean my home. And I'm going to study for university. Thanks for watch.